Let's learn common idioms, their meanings, and examples of their usage in sentences. Under the weather. Feeling ill. My sister was feeling a bit under the weather. Time flies. Time passes quickly. Time flies when you're having fun. Hit the books. To study hard. I need to hit the books for my exams. Break the ice. To initiate conversation in a social setting. To break the ice at the party, John started telling some funny stories. A pretty penny. Very expensive. The dress she wants for her birthday will cost a pretty penny. Hit the sack. Go to bed. I'm exhausted, so I'm going to hit the sack. Fit as a fiddle. In good health. Even at 80, my grandmother is as fit as a fiddle. Go the extra mile. Make an extra effort. She always goes the extra mile for her clients. No pain, no gain. You have to work hard for good results. He believes in the saying, no pain, no gain. Up in the air. Undecided. Our vacation plans are still up in the air. Spill the beans. Reveal a secret. She accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise gift. Hit the nail on the head. To say exactly the right thing. You really hit the nail on the head with that answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.